Imagine if you could speak 8 languages fluently and connect with billions more people around the world. Well, now you can do it with AI. Let me show you how.
सोचिए, अगर आप 8 भाषाओं में बात कर सकते हो और दुनिया भर के अधिकांश लोगों से जुड़ सकते हो। अब आप इसे एआई के साथ कर सकते हैं। मुझे दिखाने दो कैसे करें। Stel je voor dat je 8 talen vloeiend zou kunnen spreken en verbinden met miljarden mensen wereldwijd. Nu kun je het doen met AI. Laat me je laten zien hoe.
Imagina hablar 8 idiomas y conectarte con miles de millones de personas en todo el mundo con IA. Déjame mostrarte cómo.
Immagina se potessi parlare 8 lingue fluentemente e connetterti con miliardi di persone in tutto il mondo. Ora puoi farlo con l'IA. Lascia che ti mostri come.
Now maybe you are shocked, how is it possible? It is very amazing. So, let's get started.
First, open a browser and search for Heygen AI Video Generator. This is the site. Open this site. Now click the Try for Free button. You'll need to sign in or sign up. I've already signed in, so let's continue. After signing up, you will receive 1 free credit. With this credit, you can translate a maximum of 1-minute video. To translate a video, click the Labs button, select Video Translator, then click Try It Now. This will take you to the Video Translation Studio. As you can see, I have already translated some videos. This is my main video.
Imagine if you could speak 8 languages fluently and connect with billions more people around the world. Well, now you can do it with AI. Let me show you how.
And now I want to translate this video language English to Hindi. So let's get started. Click here and upload your video. One thing you need to be aware of is that the video should be between 30 seconds and 5 minutes long. Now, in the main language section, you need to choose your target language. There are many languages available. I want to translate to the Hindi language, so I'll select Hindi. Now, click the Translate This Video button. Confirm to submit. Producing this video will consume your credits as listed below. To translate this video, 1 credit is needed. Click the Submit button. Now we need to wait a few minutes. Once uploading is done, you will receive the final output. Wow, I've received the output. Let's listen to it.
सोचिए, अगर आप 8 भाषाओं में बात कर सकते हो और दुनिया भर के अधिकांश लोगों से जुड़ सकते हो। अब आप इसे एआई के साथ कर सकते हैं। मुझे दिखाने दो कैसे करें।
Oh guys, what a mind-blowing output. The result is just like the original. There's no way to tell that it's an AI-generated voice.